What's up guys, it's Shadain here and we're back with another video. I'm sure you guys have seen the title and you know exactly what we're doing today. We'll be doing 3 essential items for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now we have basically 3 accessories I know a lot of you guys will be using on your day-to-day life, basically for charging battery or keeping your battery up to speed whenever you're going through a long day. Just keeping your battery tapped up and ready to go. Now we also have another item that helps with that 3.1 connection that the iPhone also has for that Type-C, which basically accesses that 10 gigabit speeds, so that helps you out in changing or transferring data from your iPhone to your PC. But with no further ado, we're gonna head into that video and talk about these devices. We'll be doing a top-down view of everything and just letting you guys see the unboxing and just giving you my thoughts on these devices and talk about all the features. With no further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we are at our top-down shot and this is one of Anker's devices. Now we're going to be opening it up and seeing what it is. Now this device basically says it live charged. It has the choice of 80 million people, whatever. And it says the Anker 6622 magnetic battery mango. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Let me come in closer. Sorry if you guys are able to see it. There it is. Alright. Sorry, I messed with the focus. Alright. So let's open it up. I don't have a knife with me at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use my keys to actually pop this open. There we go, got it open. Now let's pop it open. So once you open up the device, you will see you greeted with the magnetic charging manual, whatever, and then we have here the device itself. This is what will be starting to show for this video. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to open. I thought it would be just easy. So this is a magnetic charger for your iPhone. This, let it focus. Well, this is a magnet. It's a MagSafe charger for your iPhone. Now this has a kickstand. Let me see if I can get it to work. There it is. What you would do is you can have the kickstand set up to where you can put your iPhone on there. Let me go ahead and grab the iPhone. As you can see, it basically turns into a kickstand and I can switch the iPhone around, and it's basically very strong because of those MagSafe chargers. It holds perfectly and in place, as you guys can see. And if you don't want the MagSafe chargers on there, or you don't want the kickstand, you can just clip it on and you have a nice little charger snugged onto your phone, keeping your phone charging and ready to go. I got this. It's pretty much dead, and that's pretty much it. But yes, nice little MagSafe charger. It comes with the USB cable in the bag. It's just a small USB Type-C cable, and that's pretty much it. Nothing too special. And then let's move on to our second device, our second accessory, and this is another device from Anker. This is a Anker Prime, a 67 watt GAN wall charger. This basically, GAN just means it will smart switch to the device that's using the most electricity. So for instance, if I have 3 things powered into it, it will just basically alternate between which one should get enough power and just charge it accordingly, which is cool. Let me go get my keys once more and let me pop this open. I think the MagSafe one is one of my favorite ones so far. I think I love it because of the fact that it can easily prop on and prop off, and I like that feature the most. So let's open this one. I think with this, I know I'll be happy with this one because I know I'll be using this pretty much a lot. Wow, this one is pretty much hard to get out. All right, here we go. We got it open. So this one comes with the charger. It's pretty heavy, actually. It's really heavy. I had no idea it would be this heavy, but it's pretty much the same size as the regular wall adapter that Apple gives us. Almost the same. It's really light. It's really heavy though. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. I'm guessing because it's 65 watts. I'm guessing that's why it's this heavy. It does come with nothing. It doesn't come with a USB cable or anything. So you're just getting this just GAN charger or adapter for you to use. And as you can see, Anker Prime. And even though this is not a newly released product, it's still really good. All right, last but not least, this is pretty much the star of the show in a sense, because this is what will be charging your phone and getting that data speeds the way you want it. So this is the Fast Gear high quality USB to USB cable. This supports 10 gigabits speeds, and I am sure you guys would appreciate this. I bought the 10 feet long variant. This has a 5A charging up to 100 watts of power delivery. So this is really good, and I'm definitely going to be using this a lot because I sometimes just laying in bed and I need that extra length in cables, and I just want to just power this under my bed and just charge my device. And just knowing that I can basically send data from my iPhone to my PC or to my Mac actually, and being able to take advantage of that 10 gigabytes speeds, it's just good. So I'm really excited to use this cable. As you guys can see, it is really beefy. It is really beefy compared to the one that we got. I don't even have it here with me, but just to show you a comparison between a regular cable, this is a regular USB cable or a regular type C cable, and this is their cable. It is just really massive. Really massive. So I'm really excited to use this and take advantage of this now 67 watt GAN Prime charger. So you can basically plug your computer, your iPhone, and still have enough power to even plug a Type A port, which I won't be using the Type A port anytime soon, but I know I'll be using the Type C to charge up my phone. But that's it for today's video. I wanted to basically go ahead and show you guys this product because I think these will definitely help you out in your day-to-day life with all three of these products. I know this will come in clutch at times when I need some juice whenever I don't have a charger next to me. So this will be one of my favorite as well. Just being able to just prop this on the back of my phone and get a lot out of this. It has there's a button on the bottom. I didn't quite see this. It has a button that shows the percentage of how much battery is left. So let's prop it on here and let's see if it will work, because I thought it was dead actually. There we go. It's not charging. I thought it was empty, but I guess you need to hit that button for it to actually start charging, which I currently have about 3 bars, which is not nice. It's not bad. And this is a 5,000 watt Qi wireless charging adapter, Qi wireless charging adapter battery bank that will definitely go on the back of your phone and just keep it charging. And if you want to plug it in while you're sleeping or if you want to just have this as a nice little companion with you when you're out and about, like maybe on the train or somewhere where you don't have an accessible port to charge your phone, this will be nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys like this one. Hope this helps you in buying your iPhone's accessories. But that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.